Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Banking big bucks, New York Community Bancorp's billion-dollar boost and Tesla's tumble, rate cuts and inflation risks, Powell's warning to Congress, Palantir's profitable pursuit with $178 million Army contract, the AI bubble debate, SA analysts share insights, Tesla troubles in Germany post-arson attack, United Health's $22 million ransomware riddle, and the current state of U.S. tech stocks according to Man Group. Stay tuned after this short ad break as we delve deeper into these headlines. New York Community Bancorp is in the process of securing over $1 billion from investors. This includes a firm led by former Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin. The bank has plans to sell its shares at $2 each and will provide 60% warrant coverage for non-voting stock. Many view this move as a positive endorsement of the bank's strategy to turn things around. Joseph Otting is stepping into the role of CEO, with Alessandro Danello taking on the position of non-executive chairman. The deal is expected to be finalized on March 11th.
Morgan Stanley has lowered its price target for Tesla, moving it from $345 to $320. This decision is based on a perceived decrease in the demand for electric vehicles and a rise in competition from hybrid cars. The firm also anticipates that Tesla might report negative GAAP earnings before interest and taxes within this year. However, despite these issues, Morgan Stanley continues to hold an overweight rating on the electric vehicle stock.
Jerome Powell, the chair of the Federal Reserve, has issued a warning. He states that if interest rates are cut too soon, it could potentially undo progress made on inflation. Conversely, if there is a delay in cutting rates, it might lead to a weakening of economic activity. Powell suggests that depending on how the economy performs this year, a rate cut may be necessary. In addition to this, he also touched upon several other topics including the FedNow payment system and bank reserves interest. He also mentioned Basel III proposal and risks associated with commercial real estate.
Palantir Technologies, a company specializing in enterprise software, has secured a contract worth $178.4 million from the U.S. Army. The contract involves the development of 10 prototypes for Titan, the Army's next-generation targeting system. This system leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to provide beyond line-of-sight targeting support in field operations. Following this announcement, Palantir shares experienced an increase of over 5%.
Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is a significant driver of market growth. However, there's a growing concern among investors about the possibility of an AI bubble. The opinions among analysts are split. On one hand, Damir Takik cautions about reaching a peak in the market. On the other hand, Viktor Durganov anticipates an increase from $538 billion in 2023 to more than $1.8 trillion by the year 2030. Some prominent AI stocks to note include NVIDIA, which has seen a rise of 264.9%, and Supermicro with an impressive 1,009.7% surge. Exchange-traded funds present another potential investment opportunity within the AI sector.
The Berlin-based Gigafactory of Tesla is experiencing a more extended shutdown than initially anticipated, following an arson attack on a crucial electricity pylon. It is expected that full power restoration and car production will recommence by the end of the upcoming week. This incident has not only left thousands of surrounding homes without power but also projected to cost Tesla a substantial nine-figure sum in lost production euros.
United Health Group is said to have paid $22 million in Bitcoin to the ransomware group known as Black Hat, which has connections to Russian cybercriminals. This payment was made following a cyber attack on its Change Healthcare unit. The attack caused disruptions in services across the country, impacting insurance claims and the processing of payments. Despite facing criticism for not providing adequate support to hospitals affected by this incident, it's projected that United Health's Optum Insight unit will only account for 12% of the company's earnings in 2024. In response to this situation, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services is speeding up Medicare and Medicaid payments in an effort to alleviate the cash crunch.
Ed Cole, who leads multi-strategy equities at Man Group, holds the view that U.S. tech leaders are not overvalued. He highlights the sector's impressive 35% annual growth in earnings expectations over a span of 5 years and forecasts ongoing exceptional growth. Even with market speculation in areas like cryptocurrency and gold, he proposes that today's technology giants will maintain their dominance. Furthermore, he expects the Federal Reserve to reduce rates without taking stock market levels into consideration.
That's it for today on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Keep innovating, keep investing, and most importantly, keep dreaming big. Until next time, I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.